What's up, party people? Welcome to Salty Dogz. Tonight, I am going to be making 6 of our designs for fall. We created these a couple of days ago, and tonight I'm going to burn them and then paint them and show you guys what they look like. So right now we are jamming in the Etsy store, and I'm absolutely blown away with how many people have been jumping on the Etsy store. We are at like, I think 287 different sales that have happened on Etsy store, which blows me away. I'm absolutely thrilled about that, and so thankful for you guys for doing that. We are approaching 300, and what I'm going to do is put all the wood creation things, the 6 I'm going to do tonight plus the other ones that are already there, I'm going to go ahead and put those on like a sale and give you like 15% off of any of the wood creations that we have, and I'm going to give you the code at the end of this YouTube video. Now, we have had a really good time with the YouTube stuff. This has been kind of fun for me to do the videos. We were doing videos way back 10, 11 years ago. We were recording concerts and selling DVDs, and we did a few weddings. We did like 3 weddings, and then we did a couple documentaries for a couple schools here, which were really cool. Some video yearbooks, but that was before the day of high definition, back when things were just standard def, and then high def came around, and it got so expensive with the high definition cameras, and the pricing of high definition cameras have come down greatly, which has been cool. So, you know, now fast forward 10 years, it's kind of cool to kind of be in the video game again. I think it's kind of cool, kind of fun. So we are going to make those signs tonight. Listen for the code at the end of the video, and thanks for like checking out this YouTube stuff. That's kind of cool. I mean, we've been doing this for a week now. I think we've got like 40 some, almost 50 subscribers, which is kind of cool. Considering it's only been a week, I think that's pretty cool. I think we got like 650 views. So if you want, you can actually like subscribe, which would be kind of cool. I think it's down here. I don't know, here or here. I don't know. Hit the subscribe button. Camden says that we need to tell y'all, my son Camden, he says we need to tell y'all to like subscribe and like the videos and ring a bell. I'm not sure about a bell yet. I haven't gotten that far in the GoPro, not GoPro, but the YouTube stuff. But he said there's something about a bell, so you can ring a bell. I don't know, is that like at Arby's when you like the food, you ring the bell? I don't know. So let's find out, and I'll see if I can find out what the bell's about, and let's go make some signs. Battery died. Had to go get another battery. Holy smokes. Okay, boys and girls, children of all ages, they are getting there. We are cut, we are painted, and here's what we got. I really like the way they're still drying, so they're not 100% clean, 100% dry yet. But yeah, these have turned out really well. I'm very happy with how they look. The red on the Happy Fall with the truck and the pumpkins looks fantastic. The silver, I don't think you can really get how metallic-y it looks from the camera, but I really like the way these turned out. They look really good. The cool thing is when people buy these and then they like really just sit there and hand paint them. Like I've seen people that have taken these and the shoes black and the socks purple, or they'll take this and they'll paint the truck like the red and then have the pumpkins purple, orange, and then just kind of do all different sorts of things. Even this with the skeleton head, you could do the skeleton white and take that off and do it in black. But for us, I don't have time to do all of those, but what I can do is just paint them a solid color or just leave them natural. Even the natural wood, the color that's there, it looks really good. I mean, that's solid wood with a UV like polyurethane, a real thin coat of polyurethane over the top of it. So we could theoretically even do the back side of it too. The back side of this wood is, look at the back side. It's unfinished wood, and you can actually stain that. Here is a sign, it's kind of dusty, but here's a sign I did for my daughter, and you can see that this is the same wood, but we just used a stain on it. Like there's the shiny side, and then we just use the back side. And the back side, since it's not treated, you can actually stain it, and you can stain it any color you want. You can go to your local big box store and they'll mix you up a can of paint pretty cheap. Like I got a few different colors, and these are just some samples I played around with another project. But I mean, this wood that I've got here, it just stains so well. The coupon code that we're going to use for the Etsy store, we're going to use, what should we use? How about pumpkin? We'll use the word pumpkin for the 15% off. So if you go to the Etsy store, all the wood stuff will be 15% off as soon as I punch in that promo code. And as soon as I get these 6 items listed, you can go and purchase them and use the 15% off. All right, so if you could, hit the like button or the subscribe button, do that whole YouTuber-y thing that you're supposed to do. Help me continue to do this, because it's kind of been fun so far, kind of doing this. My kids have kind of enjoyed watching the views and watching the subscribers. So if you could do your part, hit a button. I think it's down here or here. I don't know. Just hit one of those buttons. Hit the like and the bell and that stuff. And we got to figure out what the bell does. We talked about that earlier. But anyway, you guys have a great night. Peace.